Today take a look at the RM10 140 watt 3-way Boombox. So we got our instructions. We got our charging cable that is USB-C to USB-C. And we got our charger that is a 2-prong plug to USB-C. You can see that is 100 240 volts, so it's good for international or domestic. And that outputs up to 30 watts max. Okay, so that is a very nice looking boombox. We got our navigation buttons here on the top. That has a nice rubber texture to it. Got a nice large handle, so even if you have big hands, that's not going to be a problem. Got our bass speakers right here on the sides, and everything else is tucked in right here behind this mesh. If we look on the back, nice and big rubber plug right there. So this actually has an aux port on it, which is excellent. So that means if we want to plug in a computer or something like that, we can use that for that. We also have our USB-A and our USB-C port, as well as our reset button. On the bottom, we got a nice large rubber foot, and we do have our branding right there on the side. So let's go ahead and turn it on. That's nice. Oh, wow. That has definitely got some strong power to it. So right now Bluetooth is flashing, and we can see on the phone that it's showing up as the RM10. So nice and easy to set up. Loosen this up. This is a 3/8 inch wrench. Holy smokes. Be careful with it because you're... Wow. So that thing goes very loud. You can even see that woofer vibrating on the side. That has got some super heavy sound to it. And it plays automatically. Basically, I just connect to my phone. Whatever audio goes out through my phone will then go out through the speaker. So very easy to deal with that. So I can control the audio from my phone. And I can also adjust that right here on the speaker itself. And we can also pause and play right here. I get to use my new toy. This is nice. Something very interesting. We got this button right here that is true wireless stereo. So you can actually take this guy, you could pair it with another stereo just like it. You could have your left and your right channels. So if you want to have a full separation of sound, you can actually do that with this. Definitely something you do not normally get with a Bluetooth stereo. And then we got the EQ sound effect button. So if you want to change the equalizer, we got classic, bass up, and outdoor. And we can cycle through those modes. Must spin the bass up. Outdoor. This last one's going to be... Pull the pin. And classic. So very nice having all that functionality right here on the front of the stereo. Now let's go ahead and make sure we can actually pair that with our computer. So we'll go to the hidden icon, go to Bluetooth. We'll hit add Bluetooth device and add device. There you go. And we can see the RM10. Okay. So again, super easy to connect. Well, let's go ahead and play some sound. Water through to chill the there we go. We got a 1-inch barb with a 1-inch to 1/2 inch reducer and then a 1/2 inch compression fitting. So the issue we're having is that this kind of springs back. So we need to make spacers for it. So that is what Dave is doing. And we're just going to run a bunch of holes through here. Feed this. That is crazy. Yeah, that is an extremely loud stereo for the size. And especially being battery operated, like you can see, we are not plugged into anything right now. For the amount of power you get out of that thing, that is super impressive.
What's going on here? 8-inch focus on the sub 250 gram.
Holy smokes, that thing is loud. That is impressive. So yeah, if you're looking for a stereo that can fill up an entire shop, even though you can take out, maybe if you got a project out in the parking lot and you need to do work out there, but you still want to be able to listen to music, that is definitely going to be the stereo that you want for that.